Yo, in the higher heights, when music meets herbs, no need for words. Soothing vibration opens one body and mind, inflicting a healing sensation, positive and exciting. iVYBZ presents Kyanabis Kahna. Yeah, we say brought to you by FAIM. You know the chips, you know the style. Freedom, artists in motion. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Welcome again. Welcome to iVYBZ, Jahmark. Welcome.
Yes, Sister Nadia. Yeah, man. Absolute pleasure to be here once again.
Yeah, man. Tap our waist, please.
Yeah, I know. Once upon a time, you know, some people used to talk about me spliff them small and me not have no spliff, but so no if you're surprised tonight, guys.
It's not, you must have one big head. Not one of my spliff. Me now one of my spliff for Ross. Me now one of my spliff. Me have a tweezers spliff today.
No, it's a normal little spliff still. We now go on,
so make so make you show my little stick of dynamite.
Yeah, man, I know what you mean.
Okay, cause I know you so like you come with something named boom dynamite.
No, it's a little thing, you know what I say?
Man still fatter than FAIM, Jahmark, look there.
And don't watch it, hey.
Man, oh my goodness. No, you think that me the dog eyed man. I look on FAIM.
Don't watch the size. The potency.
I'm dangerous, not you.
Yeah.
Feel spliff coming like sweet pepper, big or not. Feel spliff not have no hot.
Stepping razor, don't you watch my size.
Alright,
dangerous.
Alright, so we can't
Yes.
you have spliff, but maybe can't complain.
Yeah, man, Tafari and Najee, you know, iVYBZtv. It's been a while, but today I see when we are going with the vibes, and you know, tonight we have a little vibration. And we have a special guest in the house, seeing Jahmark from Jahmark and the Soulshakers.
There.
You can have some souls around here.
Live and direct, you know, do it. Yeah, man.
We're shaking in and we're not shake out yet.
Yes, sir, may I say. So we are going to talk to Jahmark and we are going to hold our reasoning, because we don't really interview, you know. Because we not really ask no question and them thing there. We just want reason pan some good music, you know, and some good vibration.
Just the iVYBZ.
Yeah, and zone in. We are going to zone in pan like two albums, two year album them. One of them were current and one we always blend the old and the new, right? That's how we love to do it. Yeah, man, iVYBZ, you know. So we're gonna kick it off. We're gonna kick it off with happiness. And we not waste no time, you know. We not waste no time because we know people busy. But anyway, we're gonna kick it off with happiness. Cause I like that song there. So Jahmark, we're gonna ask that to just give a little brief run through on the album Happiness. You know, and the tracks them for happiness, and you know the vibration that come behind each track, zoning in, and I think the couple, the few of them we are going to feature upon iVYBZ tonight.
Definitely.
So it's yours.
Well, Happiness is a tune where I write with my brethren Mike Irwin from Rough Sound Studio, and Mike now. Because I'm a man that knows I have a book, a lyrics book, like about so thick with lyrics. So I have this rhythm, and him, you know, one day him come to me and said, "Boy, I have this rhythm. You have any lyrics that would fit it?" And me say, "Yeah, me have the perfect lyric for that rhythm there." And the tune Happiness is really a collaboration with Mike, as well as KPFK DJ, resident DJ Chuck Foster. So when we write the tune now is between Mike, myself, and Chuck Foster put it together. So yeah, and Mike write the music, me write the chorus, and Chuck come with the verse then. So we have to give respect, we respect you, you know. And
that nice one, not fitting there because the whole concept of happiness come together, make we put it to the test. It's like when basically I do that.
yeah,
You know?
yeah. And this tune now, right before COVID time. This tune right before COVID, you know. So when it released, it gets some recognition from of all places from the hip hop community, from a chart named Rap Attack Lives. And the tune just before COVID went to #1 on college radio chart, the Rap Attack Live college chart. And yeah, it was unexpected, but I give thanks to the recognition of all places, a rap chart.
Yeah, but
so,
and it I think like when I was like observing, I think it was on Instagram I was on.
Yeah.
And saw like 1 week it was like at #2 and within like a no time you see it go #1. And I think it was the same chart they're talking about, right? Is that the same chart?
Yeah, man, I the same one.
Same chart. Okay.
I think the chart you're talking about is the one where happened during the COVID in the UK. A chart named Kings of Spins.
Oh, so two different charts.
Two different charts.
Okay.
So yeah, it hit the college radio just before the COVID, and then it hit the UK chart a little before, probably around November last year. So this tune now, Jahmark in mysterious ways, as me always say, because
you mean November 2019 or 2020?
No. It hit the UK chart in 2020.
Oh, 2020. Okay.
Yeah, it hit the rap attack
last year. You see, last year kind of there's a little so it's so close in. It's like last year never really keep.
It wishy-washy.
Just like
yeah, through
last
everybody, you know, through the COVID, I make everybody fret and stress out, you know. So
really
a tune like this a tune like this come at the right time, because maybe if it wasn't for COVID, it not get the recognition where it get. Probably go over people's head, you know.
Yeah.
But through the COVID, everybody lock up and them hear the tune happiness and, you know, come together and make we put it to the test, and yeah, it nice them up. So
and it go on good for the social platform them too, right?
Still go on good.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
As the brethren would have said.
It's a nice little tune. And we need some nice little
positive, man.
Positive
no matter
type
what
of
the
vibe.
Is.
Yeah, no matter what. And at the end of the day, make positive and everybody will live, you know. So
for real.
Me like the concept, you know, and as you know, with that whole reason before, it's not like a commercial pop type of thing, you know.
Right. It's not like we say, it's not like it's not like a peaches and cream happiness. It's a happiness where you go through some struggle. Yeah. You know, and you come through triumphant. When you go through the struggle. Them kind of happiness. Them kind of happiness there. You overcome, you know? Yeah, man. Because the tune right in a minor key, right? So in music now, when you want the tune them to feel more up and bright, you use major chord. And then when you want the tune feel more bluesy, not even you want the tune, just the vibe of when the tune.
When you want touch, when you want drop on people heartstring, just say.
so only for blues musician use minor chord, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, so that people can say they feel the music.
You know them way there.
But then you pull on the heartstring. Yesterday I listen to some now they say tears are running out of their hearted guy. When me don't listen to song with me when me listen to song, I'm supposed to laugh and I enjoy the song, and me are going at some deep. Me no want ball. Me want sing listening song for no fi get rid of the sad
True.
So energy. Me don't want that.
You have a thing called Tears of Joy, man. And all the time you have to cry.
Yeah, but Tears of Joy is not in a
Go on,
blues song.
Professor.
Yeah, Tears of Joy is about in a blues. Yeah, if I blue, so at the Irie song them now I hear the Tears of Joy because I say blurs happiness. But you listen to happiness and you listen to happiness and you going on some meds and it bring you back your mind back on some happy time because you go reflect on some happy time now and we remember them time sometimes look at tears come in your eye happy tears that and that type of tears we are talking.
Yes,
Don't Jahmark.
So that may I say, yeah, happy tears more time, tears of joy, you know, and the balance.
True.
At the balance, man.
Just carry my guitar, come give me, and watch me stroke that ras, and you will see tears of joy.
Not true. Tears of joy. Yeah.
No, not tears of joy fear. I'm not sure people. This is just smoke of joy.
Man, you know, man, just get over it. The guy probably like, how long they not smoke? Watch it. Right? It might make, hey, go on. Yeah, it come like a vape. Puff it out again, my friend. Puff it out again. One more time. And take up your guitar now and draw 2 strings for the guitar now for me. Right.
Happiness. No, we're not ready yet.
Not sure.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
No, sir.
That's how we do it from the iVYBZ.
At the chips.
Yeah.
Well, with no further ado, make go in a little bit of the tune and bring forth some happy vibration to the folks out there.
Yeah, make positive.
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, man, and all the vibration. Listen to it, man, and make sure they go support it, you know?
Coming from iVYBZtv, you don't know Tafari, your host, and Najee. And we have Jahmark from Jahmark the Soulshakers. I don't feel no way. We have a more than one soul shaker at the place, you know. As I shake the souls a couple of years.
Jesus. Shaking up some souls.
Yeah, you don't know how we do it. Yeah, we shake it.
It's mystical vibration. No, fuck shake up.
No little careless shake up, you know.
No careless shake up.
Happiness. From the title track, title album, Happiness.
Happiness, come together, make you put it to the test. Happiness, everyone deserves the best. Life goes on every day. Good times are here to stay. Don't care what people say. Make it forward every day.
You know, we don't care what nobody say, you know. And once we start it and it's so
nice, that's on your nice, you know, man. That's on your
Yeah,
nice.
sorry, go.
we have to lift it up and show it on them one more time. From the top.
Yeah, man. Lift up.
Yeah, man. Happiness from the album Happiness. Make sure you go out and check it out on all digital platforms. It's available and ready. See? Yeah, man. Make sure you put it in the archives.
And support independent artists. And you must remember, support the independent artists them who endeavor to make a difference.
Definitely. Sean.
Happiness, come together, make you put it to the test.
I already put it to the test.
No.
Everyone deserves the best.
Why it blissful? Let me tell you something, say.
Goes on every day.
In pursuit of happiness, happiness is found. Turn up the tune.
Don't care what people say. Make it forward every day. Make things positive. People feel good when they give. Let's make a better way to live. Make positive. All you got to do, be yourself and keep it real. All you need to do, live your life the way you feel. Happiness, come together, make me put it to the test.
I hear the bass come through this little speaker, yeah.
Yeah, man, it's supposed to leave the speaker past your flesh and touch all your bone. That's how it's supposed to feel all the time.
Wait the thought and tell the folks. Are the people.
Come together, make we put it to the test. Watch out, happiness.
Leg of the bad vibes.
Man deserves the best.
Yeah, man, cut out all bad vibes.
Yeah, man. Lift up one another.
Pull some Irie vibes. I remember to tune into FAIM.com.
Yeah. That's how we do it. Come together and lift up one another.
iVYBZtv. Keeping it real. Keeping it real. And when we say real, we don't deal with hype around here. Genuine people we talk about. Righteousness we talk about. Love. And them things there. Them things that we talk about. Them type of things there. When we say make positive, and them things that we are talk about. Listen to words. Feel the rhythm.
Nice, eh?
All you gotta do.
Boy, Kyanabis Kahna mello. That's all. Mello.
Mr. Vibes, and Miss Vibes, only there. Rocking non-stop.
Happiness. Come together, make we put it to the test. Long overdue happiness. Everyone deserves the best. Yes, Lord, happiness. Come together, make we put it to the test. Why, oh, happiness. Everyone deserves the best.
Yeah, man, iVYBZ. Jahmark the Soulshakers. Strictly niceness, you know?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, no.
Roots.
Give thanks for that tune, yeah. Give thanks for that tune, yeah. Give thanks for that tune, yeah. Say, I mean, like, it leave out of the them energy feel, and other people who feel latch on to it can latch on to it. That is it. You make it available and we give thanks. That's a good song.
It's a must.
A good song.